Petrol and diesel prices went up to yet another record level across the country on Monday. Up by 35 paise in Delhi, petrol costs rupees 109.69 a litre, while the rate of diesel is rupees 98.42 per litre. Petrol now costs 32.79% more than the price at which aviation turbine fuel or the jet fuel is sold to airlines. In Mumbai, a litre of petrol now costs rupees 115.50 and diesel is sold at rupees 106.62 per litre. Prices differ from state to state depending on the incidence of local taxes and cost of transportation. Rajasthan's Ganganagar has the costliest fuel in the country, with petrol costing rupees 121.78 a litre and diesel coming for rupees 113.13 per litre. Petrol price has been hiked on 26 occasions since September 28, when a 3-week-long hiatus in rate revision ended. In all, prices have been gone up by rupees 8.50 a litre. Diesel rates have been increased by rupees 9.50 per litre in 29 hikes since September 24. Globally, oil prices fell after China said it released reserves of gasoline and diesel to boost supply, while investors unwound long positions ahead of an OPEC Plus meeting on November 24.